The original bond builder. The only patented system to noticeably repair extreme damage, turn dry, brittle hair into soft, shiny, and more resilient hair. Reparative. Number 6 smooths, conditions and strengthens without adding hold or excess weight. A highly concentrated formula for all hair types. Product tip. Mix a few drops of Olaplex No. 7 with a pea-sized amount of No. 6 before styling for added smoothness shine. Leave-in styling treatment. Speeds up blow-dry time while smoothing. Softly defines and smooths air-dried curls. Reduces frizz and flyaways for up to 72 hours. Top reviews from the United States. Best product on the market. I couldn't believe how amazing this product works. And with so little of it. I have very curly frizzy hair, and I've tried a multitude of products and none of them worked. This not only works fantastically well, but you don't have to use much of it.